But hey,
That's what I'm
One's
hearing is
AI,
people doing
one's
more.
Augie, one's the world. Fuck Warlock.
it's a class you do it on. Sorry, but
You did 214k DPS in P3.
imagine what I would have done with double Augie.
5, 4, 3,
only have one.
2,
Yeah,
1.
reroll.
Bam!
Night Demon, you're breaking first wall. Stick up, we're moving in 3, 2, 1. Next wall breaks coming out in 2, 1. It's on Fonfon. Breaking on X. Good. Get safe, get safe. Going to Diamond. Next knock line's in 2. It's on Monty. Fisher in 2, 1. Stack up your heels. Moving his group in 2, 1. Go. These knock lines are not breaking walls. Bombs coming out in 2. Keep these up, be safe. Slow down on boss.
Subs, I don't know how you didn't know.
Stop on boss, stop on boss. Everyone pull your pets back, let your dots drop. Stop
You
hitting
what?
the boss.
Like,
Grip kill anime. Get
I
in
don't
the
see
AMZ.
fucking spell, dude. I see
Their
spells.
stuff. Tell those mirror images to back off.
Bam!
Okay, they do no damage.
Stop, 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 stop.
Show their mirror images.
And push. Get a lot of free damage here.
That was a good one.
Ah!
Alright. Corruption coming out in 3. It's on Neve, Sarvix, Banana. Everyone get ready to swap to the ad. And adds out, everyone swap. Get safe, get safe. Heart's going off in 3, 2. Corruption's coming out in 4. We're taking gate in 5. Getting in 2, 1. Taunting boss. It's on Monty, Yummy, Neve. Don't cleave. Watch your health, Fonfon, Doug, subs. Everyone's on the edge. Everyone's on the edge. Take knock lines back. Good. Coco Sack.
Bam!
That didn't break walls. Just get safe, guys.
I got it.
It's on post Monty Banana. Good job. And everyone on the ed.
defensive here. Huge defensive. Whatever you got.
I'll res cervix here. You on the
Take
other
it
side?
after this.
Yeah.
See clap. Do the bombs right.
Wait for that cervix. Wait. Take it.
Is that wrong there?
Keep
dude?
cervix up. Rebuff for
No, no,
him
you're
right
good.
now. Rebuff for him right
Here
now.
it comes.
Get this guy in the corner. Good. Oh, I taunted. Take,
No, dude.
I got it. I got it. Pop kill anime.
5, 4, 3,
Get your spot.
2, 1.
Taking boss.
Bloodlust.
Second pot here. MD tricks on kill anime. I'm not gonna have Bop here, Lavar, so stun these ads.
Spell warning, please. Yummy.
You ready to run your
5,
ad portal?
4,
There you go.
3, 2, 1.
Watch your HP. Go to the mid. I'm getting subs up.
So cute.
Earth lay down.
I'll take this next buster with bubble.
Okay. Stun these ads. Slows down. Can you hold boss?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
5,
Get saved.
3, 2, 1.
Tawny boss.
Single target.
Stun these ads, just root CC.
King.
Kill the boss. Let's
Good
go.
shit.
Let's go. Good job, boys. Let's go. Come on.
Kill the ball.
Yes.
Let us go. Oh,
Hey,
Oh.
Oh, let's go, boys.
Wow. Good
My Ash
job,
Candor!
What an easy ball.
Go away from
Holy shit.
Whew.
Yummy, you see those aspect crests? Those are things you get from running M+. You might not have gotten those in a while, but now you can grab something. Congrats.
I could take off all my gear and
Yeah,
I
I'm
would still
I'm
out-DPS.
just kidding.
Little fucking
I'm fucking with
sneaky
you, man.
little bitch. Oh. Fuck. Literal Fonfon diff.
Yo, Lavar having bubble there, man. Holy shit.
My big 103k healing.
Let's not tell Ziana that we literally killed it like the next
Yo,
two.
we orange farce, bro. We orange farce.